Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking Clean and Everything Between. Thank you so very much for tuning in. Today, we will make chocolate chip oatmeal cookies. I will be using a store-bought cookie mix, but I will list all the ingredients in the description box so you can make the same cookies. And here is the cookie mix, or reindeer poop as they call it. The packaging is absolutely adorable and they included a whisk with it. The mix is separated by ingredients: chocolate chips, the oatmeal, brown sugar, and cocoa flour. Again, super adorable. Now let's get into baking. The add-ons for this recipe will be egg and butter. The ingredients and ingredients amount will be listed in the description box for you. Into a bowl, add the cocoa flour, the brown sugar, the oatmeal, the egg, and the butter. I did use melted butter, but I think I should have used softened butter instead. So if you are going to try this recipe, please use softened butter. Now mix all ingredients well together. I love me some soft and chewy cookies. How do you like yours? Sweet, crunchy, crumbly, gooey? Let me know in the comments. Time to add our chocolate chips and mix all together once again. And just like that, our reindeer poop cookie dough is ready. Now shape your cookies and place them into a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake at 350 for 8 to 10 minutes. Remove the cookies from the oven and let them cool. And here you have it, reindeer poop cookies, or chocolate chip oatmeal cookies. And let me tell you, Santa will not be eating just one. They came out soft and chewy, but I do think had I used softened butter, they would have been even better. If you are still watching, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything from my channel. As always, I'm so grateful to have you in my kitchen. I will see you on the next one. Ciao!